Today I'm going to do an experiment of bubble on bubble. All the things you need is a glass, a cup of water, a tablespoon, some sugar, a straw, a dish soap. You can take any brand. You can't take shampoo, and you need a tray. Then you can have a flat surface tray. Now let's start the experiment. First we need to take the glass, take the cup of water and pour it inside the cup. Next we need to take the tablespoon, then take 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then put it inside the water. Next you need to put in is the dish soap. We need to put 2 tablespoons. One, two. Next you need to mix it well. Mix. Then we need to take the straw, then wash it with the liquid. Rub it with the liquid. Next we need to take the liquid and we need to pour it on the flat surface. Next we need to take the straw and dip it inside the soap. Then we need to blow it on the tray. Wait. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can only make 6 bubbles. So I'm challenging you guys, how much bubbles can you make? All the best. Bye. Thanks for watching.